Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to use Tinkercad on a PC. Whether you're completely new to Tinkercad or switching from another 3D design program, this tutorial will help you get started quickly. Let's begin. First, turn on your PC and open a supported web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. In the address bar, go to the Tinkercad website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the registration process. After signing in, you'll see your Tinkercad dashboard. Click the Create New Design ** button to open the 3D Design workspace. It may take a few seconds for the editor to load completely. Once the workspace opens, you'll see the workplane in the center of the screen and the Shapes panel on the right. To start designing, drag a shape such as a box, cylinder, or sphere onto the workplane. Click on any object to resize it, rotate it, move it, or adjust its height using the control handles. You can change your camera view by dragging with the right mouse button or using the view controls. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out for a better view of your design. As you continue building, combine shapes, align objects, group them together, and use the whole feature to create cutouts or more detailed models. The best part is that Tinkercad automatically saves your work while you're connected to the internet, so you don't need to click a Save button. When your project is finished, click *export ** to download your design as an STL, OBJ, or another supported file format for 3D printing or use in other applications. For the best performance, keep your browser updated, use a stable internet connection, and close unnecessary programs if your PC becomes slow while working on complex models. And that's how to use Tinkercad on a PC. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026.